Ascent presents How to Write an Effective Resume. Landing an internship during college and starting that first job after graduation is what we all strive for as students, and the first step is having a well-constructed resume. We've put together a step-by-step guide on how to effectively write a resume. Let's start with the basics. The first step in writing a resume is to construct a clear header that introduces who you are and includes your contact information if they have any further questions. You want your name in the header to be centered and in a bigger font than the rest of your resume. Below your name, also include your email address, your location, your contact number, and LinkedIn URL. The second section of your resume should be about your education. Additional information you can choose to include under the education section is the type of degree or certification you earned. Now let's highlight your experiences. Think of your resume as an extension of your personal brand, and with any brand, you must have a great story to tell to stand out amongst your competition. Even if it's a seasonal summer job, don't feel embarrassed to write it on your resume. Employees were once students too. When highlighting your work, leadership, and community service experiences, it is essential to include quantifiable results, such as answer the following questions. How many transactions did you run a day if you were a cashier? How much money did you raise on that fundraiser you led? How many hours a month did you dedicate to this organization? Leadership experience might be the area you focus on if you are highly involved on campus. The skills you develop through leadership involvement can be transferred over in the workforce, so don't take it for granted. If you already have lots of experiences to highlight in your work and leadership sections, then a community service section probably won't be necessary. However, if it is something you feel is important to your personal brand, then definitely include it on your resume. Lastly, showcase your skills and awards. Your work, leadership, and community service experiences are the most important sections to highlight, but other assets you can include to spice up your resume are an objective, relevant skills, certifications, awards, and languages. Having a well-constructed resume is the first step in becoming a young professional. Launch into your career by taking the time to have one that you can use to apply for jobs and internships. For more tips on internships and careers, or to learn more ways Ascent can help you pay for college, visit ascentstudentloans.com/career advice.